¿Qué pasó, YouTube? Welcome back. Oh my God, this has been such a long road with this car. Wiping it down, getting it ready for some color. Oh my gosh, I'm shaky. I'm just overwhelmed. I'm excited. And yeah, check it out. I hope you enjoy. I'm just getting it ready for some color. You're going to see some quick time lapses here. I'm rolling up some tape and getting it ready for the jams, and I'm going to show you a trick right now. So check it out. Instead of buying super stupid expensive tape because it's rolled, make your own. So bring your tape up to the edge of the panel, just like this, and then just tuck it and roll it back in. So here's the hood jam. When I close the hood, there will not be any overspray getting through the crack, that seam between the hood and the quarter panel there. So I don't know. I just think it's a good trick. Save yourself some money because pre-rolled and bought is stupid expensive. And for what? You can do it yourself. And here we go. Base coat step one. I'm spraying at about 29 PSI. And just over the moon. Finally seeing some color on this thing.
All right, we had a little paint reaction there. No big deal. Water, wet sanded out, wet sanded out. We had one more right here. No big deal, same thing. Sand it out, clean it real well. And that was it. We're about to come back and finish it up.